Traveling with Bruce. Welcome to my video today. It's all about the Bahamas, namely Nassau, the port of Nassau. Big news coming out. The government of the Bahamas has determined that they're going to go with a firm called Global Port Holdings Ltd to revamp the port of Nassau for cruise ship passengers. The plan is to spend $250 million to completely revamp this area, add 2 more berths to handle a total of at least 6 ships at a time. They want to add a 10,000 person concert area and an outdoor movie watching venue among shops and other areas, pedestrian friendly, and a terminal building. This is a big job, a big project. Lots of high hopes here. The government of the Bahamas basically hauls in nowadays about $18 a passenger in port fees from the cruise lines. And they want to avoid this right here. They want to get away from the straw market feel and look and hustle and bustle. They want to avoid this. They don't want passengers to be hassled, or they don't want passengers to be caught in something like this where it's a bit too tight. They want vendors, but they want vendors in a more controlled environment. In any event, the folks at Global Port Holdings, they're the guys who have signed an exclusive contract with Havana over in Cuba. And in Havana, they charge $75 a person to come on shore. Now, that's a way of the government of Cuba to make some extra money. But the Bahamas, I think, are eyeing a piece of that kind of action to help pay for this $250 million renovation. Because in the meantime, the cruise lines are doing what we see here. They're building their own private resorts in the Bahamas. They're signing 99-year leases and building out these beautiful resorts for their passengers to enjoy. Nassau wants in on the action. We're going to have to see how this all plays out. It just was signed the other day. It's going to take several years to put together, fund it, and everything else. We'll keep an eye on it. Join me Monday to Friday, 5 o'clock Eastern, Saturdays at 2. We talk cruise ships 6 days a week. Subscribe to my channel today, and I'll keep you posted on what's happening. Thanks, everybody. Bye for now.